Every once in a while you're going to find yourself in a situation where there's a pool or a run that you want to fish, but your backdrop doesn't allow you. So that's when you need to know that you have a cast in your arsenal called the roll cast. And a roll cast is done very simply. You pull off the amount of line that you want to cast out, and you simply slowly raise your rod tip until the line forms a D, and then you are able to flick it forward. You use the line on the water and that D loop as the tension that you would regularly need for a regular back cast. So once again, you bring it up till you form that D, and then give it a flick. That's a roll cast. And it'll help you when you don't have any back cast ability. Fish. Nice. Good brook trout. Get them on the reel. So we've been playing around this morning, looking to see what's going to work. Tried everything from dries, terrestrials. Finally, put on a white zonker and come tight with a brook trout. Now I've got 3X tippet on here, so I want to make sure that I don't horse them in, but I do have to get them up over this ledge of rocks, and I can feel them digging in, so give it to him when he wants to take it. Oh, they're so fun. Oh, that's a good fish, man. Really good fish. Nice. So it took a little bit for us to figure the puzzle of this brook trout out. But upon coming to this run, we were able to see some fish that were eating on top. I don't know what they were eating. So I decided to throw on a white zonker and a tractor pattern to see if we can get one to eat. And sure enough, fish ate it, and it's a good one. Northeastern Ontario brookie. How do you like that? What I love about brook trout is that they're an all or not fish. They either eat readily, sometimes you have to figure them out a little bit, or you can't write a check big enough to buy a bite. We're in luck. They're eating today.
This video is made possible by Fish USA, America's fly shop. Visit us today at fishusa.com.